Hello Virgo, welcome to Indiana 11 Tarot. This is your weekly reading, career, business and money for the week of 27 July to 2nd August. Let's see what the cards have in store for you, Virgo. The Hierophant card. So it talks about you need blessings, or you seeking blessing from an elder of the family, or a person you think as an elder, or you seeking spiritual guidance. So this is what I feel. Also it talks about you sticking to the traditional way of doing business, or growing in a job, or with money situation. You are taking this traditional route. Maybe if you are investing money, you are doing it in banks, fixed deposits, or the traditional ways, which involves low risk. And this is, I feel, with Virgo, this is what you should do now. So let us see the other cards. Maybe there could be, even with this card, I'm just getting a message, there could be a person who could help you out. A Hierophant card, a Taurus person could help you out, Virgo. They could be a spiritual, they could be a guide to you. So this is one idea that again I get with this card. Two of Pentacles. So you are trying to balance family issues, because I do remember your readings. There are a lot of conflicts, conflicting situations at home and office work. So you are trying to balance. Pentacle, basically you are feeling there is a lot of pressure mounting on you, and you need there's a lot of hard work. So you are trying to balance at your best, and it's a difficult situation with you right now, Virgo here. But this is what you are trying your best to juggle, and keep a balance at work, at business, or a money situation here. Six of Cups. So here again I feel that maybe your an old friend or an old associate or a partner could be of help to you, Virgo here. So they could be a help, or you could be having a partnership with them, or old associate, or going back to your old company for work related or business related. So somebody from your past is going to work with you in your career, business and money situation here. So it is a good energy. It's a positive thing. It's a very positive thing. Some of your friends could be could help you with securing a job, or helping you financially, with the Six of Cups energy. Okay, Six of Swords. So you are carrying a lot of baggage. You are carrying, you have been working hard, but now working so hard hurts you. So what this card is like, you need to priority. You have to prioritize your and divide you have to understand what is more important. That is what priority, taking one thing at a time, or two things work at a time, and working, because it is impossible to work at great speeds all the time. You have been really working hard from your past situation, from your recent past, and now it started hurting. So you are prioritizing your life, and you are moving towards calmer towards calmer situations in this week. That is what I feel. So you planned, and you are moving like, okay, this needs to be done first, and finances need to be taken care. So you have divided your priority, and it is helping you move towards calmer calmer situations. The Lovers card in reverse. So again here it shows something has fallen apart. There could be a situation bad situation at home, means professionally also. Maybe some of you might have not have very good, there might be quarrels, or they might at work, or there might be conflicting situation at work, or maybe at home. Whatever it is like, and it shows about a fallout with your boss or a fallout with a partner. Could be for some of you. Please, this is a general reading, so take whatever resonates with your situation here. What it is telling is that you should, because you're already so stressed, so could be the reason, but definitely there are conflicting situations still continuing for some of you in this week here. I feel you should try to move away from certain stressful situation, you should finish your pending work, and which if there is any pending work, you should finish that first, so it will help ease the conflict. This is what I get. Now let us just see an angel guidance card which will help you float this week, Virgo, in a much smoother way. So, Angel of Miracles, open your heart and expect a miracle. So, if you are going through a tough time now, you might be feeling so restless and so much sorrow. So, it shows that there are miracles. So, open your heart and expect a miracle. So, believe in miracles. Things are changing. Things will change. You will heal, and your situation will get better. But you need to believe in this. So, that is the guidance card. So, definitely, things are getting better, Virgo, and all the best. So this is it. If you do like my reading, put a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel, Indiana 11 Tarot. Thank you so much.